to us. Your dad isn't here.
We'll do it.
Hi, Olivia.
We don't know how to read yet.
We can read easy words like mommy and daddy.
But that's not enough for a story.
Okay.
I don't know if I can sleep without a story.
What if I just
Hi, you're so pretty.
Tell it. But what about the pictures?
There won't be any pictures.
We're gonna crawl over this way? Come on. Come on, Olivia. Did you want to crawl over this way? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You're getting so big.
There was a
Oh.
pirate named Goliath.
What's the matter? Hi.
And Goliath
Olivia.
pirate was the happiest pirate ever to sail the seas.
What is the matter? Hi, you're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute.
And he would sail the cauliflower all over looking for treasure.
What kind of treasure?
Hi. Hi, Olivia.
Jewelry and king's
Hi.
crown and rubies.
And toys? And snacks? Did you get snacks?
Snacks. Oh, of course. Goliath the pirate was famous for
Hi,
the
Olivia.
best snacks ever.
You're so pretty.
One day, Goliath the pirate
Bless you.
the cauliflower, and he came across